MTG is committed to applying advanced battery technology to the new energy vehicle aftermarket, revitalizing an old friend that has been with us for years. Unlike the exploits of many DIY players, making batteries work is only the first step, and MTG puts a lot of effort into the following areas. Number 1. Structural design with safety as the primary consideration, fixation, vibration damping. Number 2. Current over current capability, connected material soldering method. Number 3. Overall heat dissipation capacity of the battery pack, working on surface area. Number 4. Temperature differences between modules within the pack to prevent performance inconsistencies due to high temperature buildup. Number 5. Matching of NCM battery packs with the original Nickel-Metal Hydride battery management system battery management, prevention of overcharging and over-discharging. Number 6. Preventing the spread of thermal runaway in monolithic cells, physical isolation with aluminum alloy. Number 7. Reliability, stability, with actual 5 to 8 years of stable use as a goal. MTG will be posting more videos on our official website to show the results of all of our efforts mentioned above and to check the effectiveness with real-life tests. Our efforts to replace NiMH batteries with lithium began in 2019. The earliest test vehicle has had lithium installed for over 4 years and driven over 120,000 kilometers. The longest mileage was a cab with over 220,000 kilometers. Since mass production in 2022, the MTG Lithium Hybrid battery has been installed in more than 435 vehicles in East and Southeast Asia, and has continued to enhance the design and improve the process. Below we will demonstrate our third generation product by showing the installation of a real vehicle.